you can create a website in Podia, which is so amazing. It is drag and drop, no coding required at all. If you want to follow along, I'll have a link below. One awesome thing with Podia is that you can get started for free. So I'll have a free link for you to get started down below in the description, and you can follow along with me. So we're going to go design site, and this is what it's going to look like when you open it up. Now on the left here, we have so many options that we can add into this. So if I want to add a text, and this could be a simple landing page, this could be a sales page or anything like that. So text, so I can say download today, and then the subtitle I can say just wait till what we have. Perfect. And then the text, this could be perfect. And then we can add buttons. And let's go back here. Now I want to add a button below, so I can add an image. And so I can choose or search email images. So say I want sad. Let's see what it's going to come up with. So it's going to give us these options of sad, or I can do excited. So it's going to give me these options that I can do. So say I wanted to add some personality into my page, I can do that, and it's going to add it. And then I can do the download today, or I can add text over here on the side as well. Okay, then I can do an email form. So if I want to collect emails or have in a wait list, something like that, I can do that right here. So we can create a header. We can also add an image as well. And we can choose or search, or if you click it, then you can upload from your computer. So I could upload this image here. So I'm just going to click on it and then hit open. And it is going to add this image for this free class that I have. And then I can add the pre-title. And so this would be the pre-title, and then the title and subtitle, and then the button sign me up. You can also do show name field or not. I like to always have the name because I want to collect the names when I collect email addresses, because I want to be able to talk directly to the person. And when I write an email, I'm not talking to my whole email list. I'm only talking to one person at a time. And that's the way the mindset I like to have. So I always want to collect their first name as well. Then with the success, I always like to say, check your email. So check your email for more details, or check your email for the free download. I want them to get in the habit of checking their email. So I want to put this as the success message. So after they hit sign me up, this is going to pop up this little success message. So that way it's encouraging them to go check their email so they know where to go. They may think, oh, it's just going to give it to me now. They may not know they have to go to their email to download it. And then you can also tag people. So I can tag them right to this Ultimate Side Hustle guide right here. So now when they sign up, then they're going to get that guide. Okay, then we can also do a slim email form. So if you want to do just a slim one, just down at the bottom, or so we can move it up if we want to bring it right to the top, and then say we want to move this down. So we want to have the email right at the top here, then we can do that. With these buttons, you can edit them, delete them, or the arrows are moving them up and down. And then you see the plus, so it's going to be plus. It's going to create a section above or create a section down below, which is so awesome. And these are so customizable right here. And like I said, it's all drag and drop. It's all plug and play. So let's add another section. We can also add a bio. So we can do a little about me. You can upload a photo of yourself and put a little description, a little bio in there as well, which is so cool. And then if you go into design, you can go into even more detail of this, of changing the width of it, how big it is, the gap, the vertical padding, all of that. You can also make it mobile full width. So what it would do for that is if they're viewing it on mobile, then they're going to see this image on top, and then this is going to be below. So that's how it's going to look on mobile. So you can do that, because if they see it on mobile like this is going to take up the whole screen sideways, and they're not going to be able to read it. So I always definitely like checking that box. Okay, next, let's see, we can do a grid, which is so cool. So we can have multiple options down here. So this could be different features that you offer or benefits of your course or benefits of your lead magnet or testimonials. You could do that as well and have that right there. So that is grid. Let's see. We also have links. So you can link to something right here and you can have the label in the button. So we can do test 1 and then perfect. So we can do test 1 and then this button here is going to link out to it. And then we can make these links as well. Then up top, you'll see design, and this is going to give you the overall design structure of the page. So we can play with the colors. This is the personal color palette that I like. You can also do this pink one. You can do, depending on the different tones, the different style that you want. I like the green colors. That's just more my brand. So you can do the colors, you can do fonts, and you can change the overall size of the font. You can also change the styles of the headings. You can also change the fonts and just the overall style of what it's going to look like. Let's see here. This is a little bit more of a scripty one, or you can do this one. This one I like a lot. It's kind of, simple and a little hard to read because it's not bolded, but you can totally make it your personality with the different options that they have. That's the typeface. And then you can do the font weight for how bold you wanted something, the line height, the letter. You can customize this in so many different ways. With design, we can also, let me go back, that was fonts. You can also change the structure. So how far apart you want, if you want it full page or not, how much of a gap, the vertical padding, the corners. If you want sharper corners, you can do that. The shadow depth, all of that. You can totally customize everything. Then we can also do checkout success page, the different products we have, all of this. Then there's also FAQs where you can create a FAQs page where you can have where they will click and the answer drops down. That's an option for FAQs, which is super helpful. Testimonials, and you can upload the pictures of the people for testimonials as well. And you can do categories as well, which is so cool with products and descriptions, all of that. Then let's hit publish and view site. So now this is what it's going to look like. And then you can preview everything, make sure it looks good. Let's hit done. So that is how to build a website in Podia. Also, check out the video that I have on creating email campaigns, and I have a full tutorial on email broadcasts as well. Check it out.